Hello everyone, we are Group 4. In this video, we will talk about neutralizing antibodies. Antibodies are substances that specifically bind to antigen. Specifically here refers to the target is clearly determined to be one. In other words, only anti-A antibodies can bind to antigen A. So what happens when antibodies bind to an antigen? Actually, binding of antibodies to antigens makes it easier for phagocytes such as neutrophils to eat bacteria. This action of antibodies is called opsonization. In addition to opsonization, antibodies also act as complement activation and neutralizing antibodies. Let's talk about complement activation. Complement is activated when the antigens bind to the antibody, and the activated complement punctures the antigen cell membrane and allows water and electrolytes to enter, killing the antigen. This is a mechanism of complement activation. Next, I will explain about neutralizing antibodies. Neutralizing antibodies act on viruses outside of cells. How it works is that neutralizing antibodies directly bind to viruses that come out of cells, preventing them from entering new cells. In other words, once neutralizing antibodies bind, the viruses cannot enter the cell. If there are no neutralizing antibodies, the extracellular viruses will invade new cells.
Next, we will explain how neutralizing antibody function against COVID-19 and serum therapy. In order to help you understand more about neutralization by antibody. Coronavirus has S protein, and when this protein connects to the ACE2 receptor on human cells, the virus enters the cell and increases. In this process, if antibodies attach to the S protein, the coronavirus is unable to connect to the ACE2 receptor and unable to enter the cell. The function of neutralizing antibodies is neutralization. This antibody is produced not only by virus infection, but also by vaccine that contains mRNA of S protein. So, if the person has been vaccinated, even when the virus enters the human body for the first time, the virus cannot enter the cells and cannot increase. In addition to protection against the virus, neutralizing antibodies are also related to inactivation of toxins and are used in serum therapy. When toxins enter our body, we can inactivate it and reduce its effects by administering serum containing neutralizing antibodies. It created artificially in other animals to fight the toxin. Serum therapy is used to treat tetanus, snake venom, etc. We will now end our explanation video. Thank you for watching.